Excavator gear failure.
I'm the best excavator! Help me!
Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help you?
Please look at me!
Don't worry, I can fix you. Please go to the repair room first.
Okay!
First, I'll fix your arm. The bent part needs to be straightened. This broken part must be replaced. I'll change your bucket to a new one. All done.
Great!
Now try turning left and right.
Oh no! I can't turn!
Don't worry. Let me check. Oh, there are stones stuck in the gears. Let's take them out. This broken gear needs a new one. Now try again.
Awesome, TinkerBot!
Now it's cleaning time. First, rinse with clean water. Add bubbles. Wash the bubbles away. Dry with the fan. Finally, wax and polish. All right, all finished.
Thank you, TinkerBot! I need to hurry back to the worksite now. Bye-bye!
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.